What is happening, everyone? Welcome back to another video in my channel. So in today's video, we'll break down exactly what are Facebook daily spending limits, how you can actually find out what is your ad account daily spending limits are, and lastly, a method that most people don't really know about of sending a manual request to increase your daily spending limits. First, let's cover the type of spending limits that we have. The first one being an account spending limits. So this can be set up and adjusted manually by you. And the second option, which is probably why you click that video, is Facebook daily spending limits, which is set up and increased automatically by Facebook. However, there is a way to request a manual increase, which I'm about to show you in this video. So why Facebook actually puts a daily spending limit on our account? It's essentially a protection measure, making sure that newbies don't come into the platform and just spend thousands of dollars on Facebook ads without actually knowing how to run proper ads. So how we can go ahead and actually find out what is our daily spending limit that is set by Facebook? The short answer for it is simply going to your payment settings and you will be able to see it there, but I will show you step by step how to actually go ahead and find it on your ads manager, so make sure to stick till the end. And lastly, how we can actually go ahead and increase our DSL. There is the automatic option, which is making sure that you hit that daily spending limit frequently and making sure that you're getting a lot of successful payments, and then Facebook will automatically increase that daily spending limit. However, there is a manual way to ask for an increase without waiting that much time, which I'm about to show you in a minute. I want to shout out really quick today's video sponsor, Viral Ecom Ads. So essentially, Viral Ecom Ads is an all-in-one platform for people who want to get the best video creatives for an unbeatable price. Now, the reason why I'm actually recommending Viral Ecom Ads is because, first off, the founder of this company is one of the OGs in this space. He himself made over $30 million in sales. The second thing is that they are one of the first companies ever to offer this type of service. And lastly, I have to mention their VIP membership. This is absolutely crazy. They give you 75% discount on their video ads service, plus you get a 24-hour delivery. You get access to their VIP Discord server, access to their VIP support, and even weekly coaching calls with 7-figure e-commerce coaches. Now, I will leave a link down in my description for 15% discount. Thank you so much, Viral Ecom Ads, again for sponsoring this video, and let's get back to the video. All right, so first let me go ahead and show you how to find out what is your daily spending limit. We'll start with going to our Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't know how to get to this page, simply Google Facebook Ads Manager. Then what we need to do is we need to go on the left side menu. We need to click on billing and payments, and then we'll go ahead and click on payment settings. And as you can see over here, you can see exactly what is your daily spending limit. So this account can spend a maximum of 924 ILS per day. Now let me go ahead and show you how we can actually request a manual increase. So again, we're going to go back to our Facebook Ads Manager, and then we'll click on this question icon over here. Next, we'll click on contact support. Then you want to go ahead and select it's something else, and then select other issues. Over here, you want to go ahead and insert the ad account ID. To be able to do so, simply copy this number over here, or you can see it just right here in the URL, and then paste it right here, and then make sure it's the right account and click on it. Then click on select an issue over here and type in daily spending limits, and click on view or change daily spending limit. Then it will tell you again what is your daily spending limit, and you want to scroll down till the bottom and click on contact support. And over here in the message section, simply type in increase my limit to 200, and over here make sure you type in the desired amount of that daily spending limit. Make sure that you are kind of realistic. So if your current daily spending limit is $50, you don't want to be asking $1,000 because Facebook will automatically reject that. So be conservative, and let's say just ask for 200 instead of 50. Then all you have to do is to click on send email, and then you are pretty much done. All right guys, this is pretty much it for the video. If you did find some value, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out some other videos right over here. Thank you so much for watching, amigos, and until the next one, peace.